I'm going to show you the self-service catalog in Service Broker. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Brian Watrous from VVork. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about automating, programming, and monitoring in VMware environments, you're in the right place. Start now by subscribing and click the bell so that you don't miss a thing. Before we get started, there's a playlist up there in the corner. If you randomly landed on this video and you haven't seen video 1, go take a look at the playlist. For the rest of us, here we are in part number 4. In the previous parts, you'll recall that we created a blueprint in vRealize Automation Cloud Assembly, and then in the previous video, we imported that Cloud Assembly blueprint into vRealize Automation Service Broker. Let's go see where we left off in the lab environment. As you can see, here's our blueprint, and if we'd like to, we can click on this request link to request a deployment from the blueprint. So let's do that. I'm going to click on request, and when I do so, what do I need to do? I need to give my blueprint a name. So why don't we call this my VM, since the blueprint's going to deploy a single virtual machine. And I need to type a description, something exciting like my very favorite VM. But then crucially, I need to pick which project I want this blueprint deployed in the context of. And right now, my only choice here is VMW-engineering because that's the only project that I belong to. So that's all the things that you normally do, including, forgot to mention, if we had multiple versions of the blueprint, we could choose which version here. But these 4 things, the version number, the deployment name, description, and project, are all things that you're always prompted to supply answers to when you deploy from a blueprint. But what's missing here in this particular example is anything exciting, like a drop-down list. In particular, what we're trying to do in this video series is to create a drop-down list that has dynamic contents. We don't have a drop-down list here at all, not even a statically hard-coded drop-down list. So we got some work to do. Join me in the next video, and I'll show you how to create a custom form.